Welcome back to the 2019 debate series. Today we have motion number 5. Students should be allowed to grade their teachers. Representing the pro position, they agree that students should be allowed to grade their teachers. We have Cherie and Yasmin. Representing the opposition, they disagree. Students should not be allowed to grade their teachers. We have Max and Dustin. Let me remind both sides, you will have a 90-second opening statement in which you can go ahead and present your opening arguments. Following the 90-second opening statement, you will each have 3 sets of 2 minutes to present your arguments and or rebuttals. If you have questions for the other team, you can go ahead and ask them. If you'd like them to respond, then they will. Otherwise, if the other team is speaking, that is their turn. You cannot interrupt unless they've invited you to join into that conversation. Following the 3 2-minute argument and rebuttal segments, you will have a 90-second closing statement, following which the group who is taking flow notes will decide who won this debate. Do I have any questions from the proposition? Do I have any questions from the opposition? All right, I come to the proposition to choose heads or tails to see who's going to go first. Heads or tails? Tails. Hey Siri. Flip a coin.
Tails.
Tails.
I told you it was tails.
You want to pass and defer. The opposition will begin with their opening statements. Again, I speak to the crowd. Make sure that your 90 seconds begins now.
I think this debate is most about the motivation. So in this debate, I think we should not be able to grade our teachers because a student may be biased against a teacher because of bad grades or anything else like getting in trouble. This occurs because a student can be mad because of a recent lecture from a teacher or from a low test score, and this can result in a student getting really mad. Another example is that no matter how good a teacher is, and if a student dislikes them, that means that they will get a lower grade, and I'm sure that affects their teacher's career in a negative way. This is because if a teacher gets more hate, then I'm sure he or she will get demoted, or he or she will get in trouble for doing a bad job.
Okay, we'll put 90 seconds back up on the computer. That's fine. Okay, 90 seconds for the proposition. Your 90 seconds begins now.
Students have never got to grade teachers. The student will get more responsible if they grade the teacher, and the teacher will learn more methods that are good for learning, and the class will be more fun and interesting for the students to learn. In my opinion, this is why we think that students should get to grade teachers.
Do you yield the rest of your time? Okay, we'll go ahead and put 2 minutes on the clock. Opposition, you have 2 minutes to present your first arguments. Hang on. And your 2 minutes begins now.
If a teacher gets a lot of hate from the student, the teacher can get fired because of it. And if she or he is doing bad, they can get in trouble for other things such as getting mad at the student or not paying attention. Also, if a teacher is motivated, then the student will learn less. And this may hurt the student's future earning because of it. And this will happen because a teacher was motivated. And if a lot of people dislike their teacher, he can feel mad, sad, or she might feel like no one like her. This means that the teacher will have as much fun teaching. This can impact a lot to the teacher, and again, it will make the class less excited to go to class every day.
Thank you. Opposition, we go back to the proposition in just a moment. You'll have 2 minutes to either present a rebuttal or an argument for the other side. Your 2 minutes. Sure. I can give you 30 seconds. Are you set? Perfect. We'll put 2 minutes on the board. Your 2 minutes begins now.
One reason why we think that the students should be able to grade teachers is teachers need to know how the work their teachers feel about their teaching style. If you have more than half the class sleeping, maybe that's an indication that the lesson is boring. After all, it is a student's education. Why should he or she have an input on how they're taught and how well the teachers are teaching them? Most of the time, it isn't the student's fault when the teacher's failure at teaching the subject.
Letting students grade teachers gives them a sense of responsibility, and they give views that for when they grow up. If they're going to prepare for the big world, they should start early.
Thank you for the proposition. We go back to the opposition. We'll put a fresh 2 minutes on the board, and your 2 minutes begins now.
I think a teacher holds the future of a student whether they learn or if they don't. But if a teacher feels like the students don't like her or him, it will make their teaching worse, and if the students will learn less. And this can happen a lot. If the teacher is demotivated from the students, and it will negatively affect their career. Also, if a teacher does not like their job, then it will impact students' learning too. This means because if a teacher does not like their job, then they will care less than they did before, and this might make the classroom less exciting than it was before.
You address your time? All right, we'll put another 2 minutes on the board. We come back to the proposition. This is your second 2 minutes. Are you ready? 30 seconds? All right, we'll give you 30 seconds. All set? We'll put 2 minutes back up.
Our second argument is students and teachers should be on the same page. Students need to improve, or teachers need to improve their methods to have more ways to teach, and the students will understand more and learn more new things. And it will be more fun and interesting for the students to have a better environment with the teachers.
All right, we go back to the opposition for your final 2 minutes for arguments or rebuttals. Are you ready?
I think.
All right, your 2 minutes begins now.
Yes, it can be helpful to teachers because they can know their weakness in teaching. But when they can't fix that one weakness, it will go on forever and they can't fix it. This means they will know that they cannot fix something they need to, and this might stress out the teachers. Also, if a teacher might be, if a student might be too immature to give their teacher a bad grade, so this can make the student not understand. This can result in the students not knowing what to do and being very confused.
Okay, we come back to proposition. This is your final 2 minutes for arguments or rebuttals. Are you all set? Then your 2 minutes begins now.
Yes, some students may be too mature to evaluate their teachers, but having a kid's input on how the teacher is performing in the classroom may be better than an administrative evaluation. Just as students are graded effort does not necessarily matter. The same consideration would apply to teachers as they're graded. The point of school is for students to be learning, retaining, and applying. Therefore, the district should allow students input on how effective the teachers doing their job.
According to TV teachers need to make an environment that a student is comfortable with. Students have to tell the teacher they're doing a really good job. Teachers need to teach well because it affects the students once they're older. Teachers have to know how their teaching style makes others feel.
You go the rest of your time? Okay, we come back to, we come to our final 90-second closing statement. If you are set over there in the opposition, we'll go ahead and begin. Are you all set?
Yeah.
Your 90 seconds begins now.
Detailed case studies demonstrate that some states now spend millions of dollars on contracts with data management companies and statistical consulting firms. Many states and districts make similar investments, and this means that in conclusion, I think that we should not be able to grade our teachers.
The opposition proposition, you have 90 seconds to give your final closing statement. Are you all set? Your 90 seconds begins now.
These examples clearly show why students should grade teachers because the students can tell if the teacher is doing a bad job. The teachers and the students should be on the same page, and the teachers should learn more better methods.
Thank you to the proposition. Can we get a round of applause for both?